Replit just launched Agent 3, their most powerful AI yet, and it's amazing. I used it to create a full-fledged chess game, and not only did it build the app, it also generated a Docker file so I could run it as a container and even set up a GitHub Action CI/CD pipeline for automated deployment. That's next level. For those who don't know, Replit is a vibe coding platform where you can build applications from scratch just by describing what you want in plain English. You don't have to set up databases, authentication, or deployment pipelines. Replit takes care of all of that. Earlier with Agent 2, Replit was already helping people go from idea to a working software, but you still had to test and check in often, guide it step by step, and even fix things yourself. But with the new Agent 3, things has just leveled up. Replit can now run autonomously for 200 minutes, which means you can set a task and let it work while you do something else. It can even open a browser, test the application it builds, spot bugs and fix them automatically. But the most exciting update is with Agent 3, you can now build your own agents and automation, which means bots on Slack, Telegram, or even scheduled workflows that handle repetitive tasks for you. In this demo, we are going to be creating automation to get updates on our email. Alright, so I'm here on my computer screen and this is my Replit account. Before I show you how to use agents and automation to create Slack bot, Telegram bot, let me show you all the applications I have created using Replit. So the first application is this online chess game which you can play against your friend or against AI. Now, Replit created all the code for this, but along with the code, it also created a Docker file to containerize this application and also GitHub Action CI/CD file for automated deployment. Second application is this Telegram bot that will send me information about all the events happening in Bangalore, and it uses Eventbrite API and sends me event details on my Telegram whenever an event is happening in Bangalore. Third application that I created is this Python agent that is going to query this API and send me codes or memes on my email ID. Let me show you that. So here you can see I'm getting all these memes from a bot created using Replit. Isn't that amazing? To show you how to do this, I'm going to do a step-by-step hands-on demo. We will create a bot that will give us all the open source repositories that we can contribute to based on our skill. And to do that, I'm going to be using agents and automations, time-based, and then put this prompt. So in the prompt, I'm saying, create an automation bot that helps me discover open source GitHub repositories that I can contribute to based on my skill, which are DevOps, Python, and Golang. So this is my prompt, and I'm going to ask Replit to create it. So let's start it. Let's build an entire application. So I'm going to say start building. You can see Replit is using Agent 3, the newest agent, to build this application. So far, it has created a Postgres database. Either I can sit here and watch what Replit is doing, or I can just click on this max autonomy feature, which will let Replit run for about 200 minutes on its own, and I can go and do anything I want. Alright, so I am back and I can see Replit has already created an automation for me. It also created a database. Now here are all the commands that it has ran successfully. Automation bot, it uses GitHub integration to connect with GitHub and to fetch all the repositories. Now you can also find all the files or the code for this automation bot. Let's try to test this automation and see if it actually works. I'm going to click on this test automation button. As you can see in the logs, it says successfully send GitHub repositories to this email. Let's confirm that. If you see here, this is the new email that we got, and Replit automation bot is showing us 15 good first issues and 9 repositories that we can contribute to. If you scroll down, you can find the link for this repositories here as well, which means our bot is actually running. Isn't this amazing? You can now create different kind of automations using Agent 3. For example, you can create a Slack bot to get CI/CD pipeline notifications or for monitoring alerts. So start creating with Agent 3 today. The link is in description. If you use the link in the description to create your Replit account, you will get some credits that you can use to build automations or applications. So start building today, and if you have any questions, any doubt, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thank you and subscribe.